Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a purse charm that I decided to make tonight, and this is the one that I received, the pin that I received, and I turned it into a purse charm, big charm, and I made like a fall autumn type of purse charm for the upcoming fall season. And I added some little pumpkins, nothing too Halloweenish, because I figured after Halloween someone can still use this and sport this around in their pocketbook. So there's this one, and I also made this is yours, Antoinette. You had wanted me to make something with this charm. And so what I decided to do is use some pinks and some purples and some clears. I love this dangle here. And I made this for you, Antoinette. I know that you still wanted a full purple one with a purple matching bead for a gift you're giving, but this was just the one that you wanted with the carriage charm. So just let me know if you want me to add anything else, and that is what I've been up to for the past 3 hours. And now I'm going to retire to bed. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.